This is part 2. Already changed liner and o-ring. Now again pressure test. 40 psi testing. Make pressure test. Because before when we test only 30 psi coming water. Now we check maximum 50 psi here. This side 50. So here water, put air here and engage. Guys, this is the part 2 guys. Now we put 40 psi. This one already change liner and o-ring. To change. Wait, what 40 guys? 50. Now 50. Automatic coming guys, 50. Dagdagan natin kunti guys. Make 40. Because this one guys very danger. I-fix natin 50 guys. Yan. Okay na guys. Explode guys, explode. Very weak this. Okay. Again testing guys because you know second time guys explode here. Now we change new hose. Okay, that one old one. Now I own this one bulb. Already air inside. It's here. Check the gauge here. Coming up now 30. We make 40%, yeah, 40 45. Okay, in actual guys, this one if this engine already running with radiator, maximum this one guys 40 psi, 5 psi, 5 psi only pressure during running. 5 psi or 4 psi like that guys. But now I put 45 psi here testing to check if no leaking inside. So here. No more leaking. Before too much leaking. Now no more leaking. It means now this engine good. We already changed new o-ring. Not leaking guys, coming from o-ring. Liner is good, not crack, but the other unit crack liner, but this one only o-ring damage. Now this one good now. No sign of water leaking. Check the pressure. We add more. We make 50. This pressure enough. Okay, 5 more. Class finish. I remove this air. Now we keep this one 1 hour. Pressure test. Guys, very dangerous to close another side because there is a hose sometimes explode. Now see, good, no sign of leaking. Okay guys, see here, good. This one Ready to assemble. Continue. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.